Section 8.1 is about the midpoint and distance formulas. So to review these formulas, the midpoint formula, I take the x values of each of my points, I add them together and I divide by 2. And then I take the y values of each of my points, add them together and divide by 2. It's kind of like the average. The distance formula is the square root of the difference of my x's squared plus the difference of my y's squared. Example 2, what is the distance between A and B? Well, my distance is going to be the square root of -3 minus 4 squared plus 6 minus a -4, which is the same thing as plus, squared. So I get the square root of 49 plus 100. So it gives me the square root of 149 units. Now the square root of 149 cannot be simplified, so we're done. Example 3, which point is farthest from the point? The only way to do this is to test each of them and figure it out. So take a minute and try that. So what I've done is I've done the distance formula from the point given to each of the values in our answers. So I did not worry about reducing any of my square roots. It was just easier to compare them if I did not reduce. So clearly we can see that the square root of 41 is going to be the largest. So my answer is D. This is a review of the midpoint and distance formulas.